Welcome to America's great collection of hot rods, motorcycles, and trucks. Most people call it the O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels, and it happens right here in Chicago. Hi everybody, I'm Doc Riley. It's my pleasure to be the host of this big weekend event where we've got everything from vintage race cars to the Riddler winner at the Detroit Autorama that's on display, and pretty much everything in between. One of the great things about this event here in Chicago is it really pays tribute to Chicago's car culture. A lot of the different car clubs that make up that culture have selected their best vehicles and put them on display here at the Donald Stevenson Convention Center. Of course, this event also has touring folks that are here that travel almost every single weekend during the winter months to compete on the Summit Racing Equipment Show Car Series. Competitors from Quebec, Canada, and Ontario, all the way down into Tennessee and Florida, and all the way out west to Florida, and all the way east to New Jersey. They've all come to Chicago to put their car on display and have it in competition to see if they can be one of the best in the International Show Car Association. Of course, the World of Wheels also has its share of celebrities, and this weekend we've welcomed everyone from AJ Styles of the WWE to Tony Stewart, NASCAR legend, who's still racing right now, even though he's not in a cup car. He spends a lot of time in a dirt car. And Dave Kindig, one of those up-and-coming builders who has an incredible, great TV show. His handiwork is also on display here, but he had an opportunity to meet and greet some fans. The World of Wheels is not a new car show, and it's not an old car show. It's a show for everyone to come and enjoy the American car culture. And there's a lot of different spots to that car culture, a lot of different spokes, you might say. Motorcycles, street rods, street machines, muscle cars, and traditional rods. You know what? Let's take a look at some of the incredible vehicles on display here at the O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels.
Hello, I'm Richard. This is my 1941 Ford Roadster pickup called Mirage. It's a Mirage because they didn't build a retractable hardtop in 41. The cars changed in 41, but the trucks didn't, so it carried over the old sheet metal, which makes people think it's not a 41. So it's still a Mirage. The truck was built totally hand fabricated, started with 4 fenders and the nose of a hood. So it's all just fabricated. The wheels, the motor, everything, the wheels are one-off. The motors are Ford Experimental. All the undercarriage is finished to same texture and same finish as the top. All the interior is one-off. You'll notice the hood's open from the sides instead of the front. The bed covers do the same. It's just a totally one-off, hand-fabricated vehicle. All right, the grill, if you'll notice, the reveal starts at the bottom of the grill, comes up, splits, and goes all the way around the vehicle, and then back to the bottom of the grill, point of origin.
How long did it take to do all this?
This is an 8-year project, all in my home garage. All by me, except for final assembly.
Wow.
You'll notice all the headers and exhaust were built by Borla Exhaust, which is close to my home. The transmission is a 60/60 Tremec.
Now, do you let your better half drive it?
No, nobody really drives it yet. It's still just more or less for show. You'll notice the chrome rotors. You don't mess with those or the headers. The rotors actually do work. They have felt pads, so they do work, but not for road duty.
Right. Yeah, that's amazing. How long has the car been completed?
We completed in 2016, and we're at Detroit for the Riddler, and we got a grade 8 out of it. You'll notice the rear end is a winter's quick change. A lot of chrome work, all advanced plating chrome.
about?
The bed covers, they sort of emulate the hood. They open from the side up, both sides open. If you notice the bed's sort of short, that gives you room for that retractable hardtop to hide away.
Don't forget awards in about 15 minutes. Awards for our Sunny Racing Roadster.
The interior is totally hand fabricated by Steve Holcomb of Pro Auto Custom Interiors. This was all a sheet of 4x8 plywood that he has fabricated and molded to make this look like it looks. You'll notice all the LED lighting. It's highlighting a snake skin insert. That's supposedly a cobra skin. The instrument cluster and all was built by me, my design, with a set of classic gauges. The steering wheel emulates the wheels. And if you could see inside the hood, the fan shroud, and it carries all the way through. The wheels, fan shroud, and steering wheel.
How is this car to drive?
The car drives and runs great. Now, we hadn't had it hot. We don't mess it up because we're still showing it.
Sure. And then
This was a design of mine. It's my build, my design, everything about it. My color mix. The color is Sunset Mirage. It's now available. It's Exalta sells it. You have to call a rep to get it, but it's available.